Every woman appreciates a good product recommendation, those girlfriend to girlfriend heads ups, especially when they are cheap. And that's the case with this week's Studio 5 Love List edition. It's a product that costs less than $2, and our producer is saying it's worth all 200 pennies. The Studio 5 staff is loving the versatility and many uses of this new and improved and smaller, I might add, IKEA shopping bag. So it's not the big blue bulkier bags that we've come to know and love. A lot smaller, as I said, a lot cuter too. It's called, I don't know, here's the Swedish word, skynke bag? The skynke bag? I don't know, that's what I'm going with. So lightweight, fits in a pocket or your purse, but can quickly be used as a bigger shoulder bag too. Super easy and handy to keep in your car for grocery trips, or the perfect little bag to throw at a carry-on, maybe use on those summer vacations. It looks small, but it is actually big enough to carry a couple of towels to the pool, some snacks to the park, even sweatshirts if you want to pack it along to summer barbecues. Another nice feature, they have both short and long handles, so you can throw it over your shoulder or carry it on the short side with the shorter straps. We like the green print, cute for all seasons, but they rotate patterns. Right now they have a cute black and white stripe and a couple other fun options as well. So you can usually find the bags near the checkout stands, near the cash wrap, and at $1.50 a bag. You can stock up on a few and feel good about it. We'll post a link on our website, studio5.ksl.com. You can just search Love List in the upper right-hand corner, utilizing the search engine there on our website for this series or any other series or conversation that you see here on Studio 5. So we hope that website is a great resource for you, and the YouTube page too, the Studio 5 YouTube page, a great way to go back and dip into past conversations and show archives.